Welcome back to my Unreal Engine devlog, where I create a zombie shooter. This is the day 4 of the recordings. So last time we fixed the bug that was related to the spawn and the collision of the enemies. They bumped into each other and got stuck. That got resolved last time. And we added a wave completed text message after you've finished a wave of zombies. And we added also the counter on the HUD display for the current wave. This time in this devlog we will add a delay that removes the money stack spawned by the enemies when you shoot them. So the level does not get so full with the money stacks all over the place. I also need to add a price label above items that can be refilled or bought, like weapons or ammo and grenades and stuff. With this comes the necessity to add the logic for buying ammo and buying weapons. I'm not sure if we can make this work on day 4. Maybe this goes to day 5. This is the statistics of the player when he dies, so the accuracy of his aiming and the total kills and the reached wave that was his maximum. So maybe we can add the money counter to the HUD this time. So let's make this maybe devlog day 5. So let's get started with the money stacks that don't dissolve and stay in the level all the time. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So they spawn like this money and it stays there forever. And when you play like level 6, 7 or 8 or wave 8, the whole level gets full of these money stacks very fast. Okay, let's look at it. So the spawn logic of the money is currently added to the AI, which is maybe not the best place to add it. It should be separate, maybe in the money stack blueprint or something. We got a spawn loot function, this one here, and this logic adds like the up and down motion of the money and the location of the spawn, a little bit random, so they are not all on the same height. So, and maybe we should spawn only one money stack or 0 if you kill an enemy. So that's determined by this random integer. So we spawn the money and out comes the reference, and we want to remove it. So I need to Google this first. Sometimes forget how to do these basic things. Reactor. So that's what I was looking for, and maybe a delay. Oh, we can't use a delay here. Maybe we should handle it right in the money stack blueprint. This one. Now we already got a destroy actor, so overlap destroys the actor and begin play. That's the actor location. Well, we got the hover here, not in the enemy blueprint. Just the locations, the random locations are set where the enemy gets killed inside the enemy blueprint. So the actor location gets set. Here we can get world location, that actor location. This will be called when we spawn it. And then we can do this delay. Let's say maybe 5 seconds, no, 10 seconds or 8. And then we'll destroy the actor like we do here when we collect it. That's the collection of the money stack right here. I'm picking up. And kill him after 8 seconds. Well, let's try it out. Okay, let's pick up another weapon. I like this one. Oh, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still there. Okay, I counted too fast, so it works. So we collected and done. Okay, that worked quite well. So we finished the first one. Okay, next one is like pricing of the weapons. So therefore, stop the game first. And let's check in the level. So this ammo stack can be used to refill all ammo, including grenades. So we need this one on a spot where you can easily access it. Let's maybe do it here. And like so. Q. Oh. What I'm going to do is to create separate blueprint for this one here. I'm going to copy it. Call it maybe variables. I don't know if this is even a word. Let's get. I don't know. Tickets here. Labels custom. So I know I changed this. Well, okay. Now let's see. First of all, got the event graph and the collider. The base class of this. Okay. But I'm okay. Let's add a text label first. Collider, but for root. And this text is the price text. Okay. Oh. And play. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's try this one. So what I want to do is to intercept the event when you press the button F or the interaction key when trying to refill when standing next to the ammunition box, because I need to check if the player has enough money yet to buy it. And the idea is to disable the collider if he does not have enough money and enable it back again if he has it. No, this does not make any sense, does it? No, I need the collider to even shoot this event, so this does not work. Okay, let's keep it simple. Let's just print out a debug string so I know the event fired. Try this. Perfect. Okay. That's good. So maybe How can we solve this effective? Change the base class, I think. Switch the base class to my custom definition. It. So now this one is using this as parent. What am I seeing here? Wrong one? I don't get it. That's still a base class above this. Oh, that's an actor. There it is. Okay. So can interact now. Is the cooldown? At the is enough money, maybe. Up. So if the one that interacts this ammunition pool has enough money, we continue just like we did before. And if not, do nothing. And the default is don't need a default, do we? First, ask the owner. owner. Not be this one, but our character. This is the character we are using currently, the handgun 2 custom. So if we can cast, continue. If we can't, continue. Oh, and this custom character that I'm using has to implement the logic for money, owning money. This is the class. Great. Default value for his money maybe $100 or so. Yeah. And create a function. That returns total amount of the money the player owns. Okay. And function should be accessible in our ammunition. Even the like to use function private. Should or make or maybe. Okay, let's no function here. Let's retrieve it just like that. The ammunition variable for the cost of the price of the product, like the ammunition. It's the price 102. So the total money needs to be greater or equal to the price of here. Getting a mess pretty quick. And I need to look into an auto format tool for the blueprints, since it can get quite messy with all the cables hanging around here. So yeah, let's make a function. Okay. So we cast to a custom character. Us. If we got the money, we check. We got enough money. If true, we continue. If not, we stop right there. And can't buy. Okay, let's check. Try it out. Did I forget something? Probably not. Save it all. Bye. Fire. Already consumed it. Maybe here, right? Yes, that's the problem. So here, I set the breakpoint here and check if the character is actually the custom handgun guy, and it was true. And one is false. Ashes. So let's try 100. So we can afford it. And then we don't need this check. So if we got enough money, we can buy, otherwise we can't. Check this again. Breakpoint here. Click. So this is true. Full money 100, price. And this refill. Perfect. Still got the money, so this would be a money glitch. we don't need the debug anymore. Breakpoint. Oh. We need to take the money away from the handgun guy. Total price. Set the current money of the player. And we can do this only once, like refill. So we land here only once because we got only 100 and zero. Try again. Not possible. Okay. So we got that resolved. And this must be changed to maybe do this in the base class also. We set the price initially on construct. Price text. This price, yeah. Make it dollars or something, otherwise it looks kind of strange. And how do I append strings again? Need to Google it. Just append, okay. So the first is this one, second is the dollar sign. Bring this up. That should be price tag. Okay. So this sets the price and the dollar to the item. Yeah. Enter. And What did we accomplish? Price label, we added that. Or the ammunition. And use same logic for all items. We need to create this next time. So I ain't got no time today to do that much coding. So let's keep it with price label above the items and buying ammo. This works. Money counter to the hut. Price label is done. Purchase done. This gets generalized to the weapons too next time. And day 5 I assume. So check the debug hut. Front wave. Duplicate. Copy and paste. Copy that. The first player. For multiplayer, I need to change this. There are more actors, and I don't get the 0 index and handle it for all of them. But it is not currently the plan to add multiplayer. So first actor off, the player in the level, just fine for now. So get money. Custom. Do I need to cast it? Okay, let's cast it. Turning the total money. Cast does not fail. So let's compile. Turning money. Okay. So this one. Set the money of the player. I am not totally wrong. Yes. Okay. That worked. Great. I buy something at 0. If I buy again, nothing happens. So this works. Okay, collection of money. Collecting the money should increase the money budget. Now that needs to be changed next. Change to $10 or something. For each money file, tag, whatever. That's the logic. We need to expand. Custom to this character. So when you overlap the money, we check was it the player character base class and play the sound for collecting them, and it's ready actor. And furthermore, we need to increase the money, increase the money of the HUD label, the text. You get the idea. So that's it. We cast to our custom character that we use to play the game, and we set the money to the amount the player already has plus the amount of the money stack. This should add 10 to the player we collected. Try it out. At 100, 100. Great. So we can collect money. It gets displayed in the widget, the HUD. And we can buy again if we got money. Yes. Try again if we can buy. No, does not work. Didn't refill. Now we got 120. Can refill again. I assume. Let's try it. Yes, it increased ammo count of the weapon and decreased the money by 100. Yep. Great. So next time we need to do the same for the weapons, like so. And we do this, I guess, the same way. I need to switch up this sound. Sounds crazy. Refill. Yeah, wasted money, that's also good. It works quite well. Let's finish this wave 4. Great. Okay, cool. So far so good. That was the goal for today. So now the player can spend money and collect money and buy stuff. Good. So that's it for today, I guess. Maybe I'll have time for day 5 for tomorrow. And there we will look at the stats HUD and add the rest of the weapon purchase logic, just like the ammo logic we did today. Thanks for watching and until next time. Bye.